Hello, Disney Car Toys here, and today we're going to play with the Stunt-tacular Speed Loop with Spider-Man. With this set, you can launch your Spider-Man through the loop, or detach the launcher and have Spidey drive on the ground. This set comes with everything that you see here, the Spiderman Track loop, Spidey in his Spidey car, and the launcher. The Spider-Man car is pretty cool. It's got some webs near the grill of the car. On its hood, it's got a little red spider, dual exhaust in the back, and it fits Spidey perfectly. The Spider-Man that comes with the set is not your usual Spidey. He has a red and silver suit with a blue spider on his back and even blue stripes on his thighs. His arms and legs move so that he can fit into the car pretty easily. Just gotta squeeze him in here. The launcher is pretty easy to use, just either press it or punch it. The stunt loop is pretty interesting. On the front it has Doc Ock, and the car basically just loops all the way around to the other side, right here. And on this side there's this giant spider web, and you can even connect your characters to the big web. I've got Spidey attached, so let's add some other characters. There's Batman, and that's an Imaginext toy. Here's a small Barbie. I'm going to just weave her in the web. There we go. Hold on tight, Barbie. And here's Elsa. Let's see if I can stick her in here. You can be fun and creative with us. I just added the Joker and Anna and even Superman. Alright, it's time to test out the launcher. And when you're ready to use the loop, it's pretty easy. Just attach the launcher on the side with Doc Ock and it clips into place, and then place the car right in the track and you're good to go. Next up, we have one of the greatest superheroes ever, Superman! Wow, Superman did not do well. Let's try Anna. Let's see how Batman handles the course. And next up is Barbie. Woohoo! She did it! Our last contestant for the day is the Joker. Well, it looks like Barbie and Spider-Man are our winners today. They are the only two that can complete the entire stunt loop. In the comments section, let me know which character you like more, Barbie or Spider-Man. And if you enjoyed this video, please click like and also subscribe. Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.